Now the sixth question here is, the price of commodity P increases by 40 paise every year, while the price of the commodity Q increases by 15 paise every year. If in 2001 the price of the commodity P was rupees 4.20 and that of Q was rupees 6.30, in which year commodity P will cost 40 paise more than the commodity Q? So here listen, we have to find in which year commodity P will cost 40 paise more than the commodity Q. So let us take the required number of years be n. That is, let the commodity P costs 40 paise more than the commodity Q after n years. So this means our aim is to find out the value of this n. So here it is given that in 2001 the price of commodity P was rupees 4.20. So we are going to write down this. So in 2001 price of the commodity P is equal to rupees 4.20. Now we had taken that the commodity P costs 40 paise more than the commodity Q after n years. So therefore we are going to find out the price of the commodity P after n years. So therefore after n years price of the commodity P will be equal to what? Here we know that the price of commodity P increases by 40 paise every year. So therefore after n years what will be the price of P? Here the number of years is n. So already the price of commodity P is rupees 4.20. So with this what we have to do is we have to add this n into 0.40 because it increases 0.40 paise, because it increases 40 paise per year. So therefore after n years means we have to multiply this n and that increasing price, which is 0.40. That is, this 40 paise will be equal to what? This will be equal to rupees 0.40. So we have to multiply this and the number of years, and then we have to add that with this initial value. So we get rupees 4.20 plus n into 0.40 as the price of the commodity P after n years, and this can be written as what? This can be written as rupees 4.20 plus 0.40 into n. And now similar to this we are going to find out the price of the commodity Q also. Here we already know the price of commodity Q in the year 2001. So here in 2001 the price of the Q is what? It is rupees 6.30. And now after n years the price of the Q is equal to what? That is, the price of the commodity Q will be equal to what? We have to do is we have to add this 6.30 and then what we have to do? Here listen, the price of the commodity Q increases by 15 paise and this is equal to rupees 0.15. So here we have to multiply this increasing amount with the number of years n. So therefore we get the 0.15 into n. So this is what the price of commodity Q after n years, and this is what the price of the commodity P after n years. But here we know that the commodity P costs 40 paise more than the commodity Q after n years. So this means what? This means if we add 40 paise with this commodity Q, then we will get the price of the commodity P after n years. That is, commodity P costs 40 paise more than the commodity Q. So therefore what we get? So therefore the price of commodity P will be equal to price of commodity Q plus rupees 0.40 after n years. So here price of commodity P is 40 paise more than price of commodity Q. So when these two values will be equal, if we add this 40 paise with this price of commodity Q, then that value will be equal to the price of commodity P after n years. So after n years the price of commodity P here is 4.20 plus 0.40 n, and then price of commodity Q after n years here is 6.30 plus 0.15 n, and then with this we have to add this 0.40. Now what we are going to do, we are going to bring the 0.15 n to the opposite side. Here already we have 0.40 n, and if we bring this to the opposite side we get minus 0.15 n. And now this is 6.30 and this plus 0.40, and again if we bring this to the opposite side we get minus 4.20. Now if we subtract these two values, then what will we get? Then we get 0.25 n, and this is equal to what? And this is equal to, here 6.30 plus 0.40 will be equal to 6.70 minus this 4.20 will be equal to 2.50. So therefore if we want to find out the value of n alone, then we have to bring this 0.25 to the opposite side. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 100. Then we will get 250 divided by 25, and if we cancel these two values we get 10. Here listen, after 10 years only the price of commodity P is 40 paise more than the price of commodity Q. So here listen, after 10 years means in 2001 the price is 4.20. So after 10 years means with this we have to add 10. So therefore this 2001 plus this 10 will be equal to what? 2011. So therefore in the year 2011 only the price of commodity P is 40 paise more than the price of the commodity Q. So out of these four options, option D 2011 is the correct answer.